LinkedIn new features. Welcome back. You're watching ACIERO. I'm so excited that LinkedIn rolled out a few more features since 1 month ago here in the Netherlands, because I've been active the last 6 months on LinkedIn and I've actually grown my following, and I've also built two company pages and also showcase pages for my companies, and I've also helped some clients also grow their LinkedIn company pages and also set them up, So if you need any help in that, just contact me in the comment section below. But to get to the point, LinkedIn, thank you. You are getting to a social media platform we are admiring and we want to stay on and share more content. So what features has LinkedIn added? So previously we were talking about company pages, so we can now invite our connections to follow us and also notify our employees when we post. So that feature is there, but people didn't know about it, so it's now visible. You can do it. You can even notify your employees to invite people or notify them if you posted a post that something is new, and they'll immediately see it and also share it or like it or comment or engage, whatever. For most of you who are wondering how can I grow a company page, there is a video linked over here and it will take you to that video if you click on that link, showing you how to grow your company page from 0 to whatever number you want. The other feature that LinkedIn has rolled out previously, the previous month, is smart replies. Oh, I am so excited. Remember all those times you were worried of what am I going to write? What should I write? What's the best message to reply? Oh, you all got nervous. Now LinkedIn has all these smart replies ready for you. You give a thumbs up, you give a thank you, you even put a name, blah, blah. So it makes it easier to engage with your audience, and makes it also easier to communicate with anyone you want to talk to. So that's also one of the features you can use. It's also free. You don't have to pay for it. All these features I'm mentioning are free. I rolled out for you as someone who wants to build an audience on LinkedIn or a following to use and grow your audience. So LinkedIn is doing this all for you. Now, I am not promoting LinkedIn. I don't work for LinkedIn. I just like using LinkedIn, so I know it's doing all the best for us, because my client base is a B2B, and maybe if you're watching this video, maybe your client base is also in B2B, so that's why you want also to grow a following on LinkedIn. The third feature that LinkedIn has now rolled out, I think starting yesterday in the Netherlands, is stories. Story time. I've been sharing stories on Instagram almost every day, but LinkedIn, you've made it. Although I am very disappointed in just one thing. Stories are only available on desktop and an iPad, but there is no mobile version yet. So we really still have a problem with that. Although most of you who want to learn how to make stories, it's easier on a mobile version, and if you're using your desktop, the underscores, maybe you really have to edit them and put them there. But LinkedIn, please roll out that new feature where the stories are going to be on our phones, so that we can make stories using our phones. And LinkedIn has also more features for companies. I tried using the stories posting as my company, but apparently it didn't really work. It just points to me as a person, as someone personal, not the company. So I don't know how that really is going, or is only rolled out to LinkedIn profiles and videos and not company pages. So that's also something to think about. The fourth feature LinkedIn has provided us with is on our profiles. Immediately after your headline, you have an option to add the services you can provide as a business owner, or if you can add what services you provide, then if people are searching for you, that is a very, 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 very powerful feature that LinkedIn has added. So for most of you are looking for work and you're freelancers, or you have your own companies and you provide services, after your headline, it's there. Just put it in, go into your LinkedIn profile and put in the services you provide, and then wait for the magic to happen. So I don't know what else LinkedIn is coming up with in the future, but I hope it's going to shock us. And what I'm really, really expecting from LinkedIn is going more on mobile, so that we post more with our phones. And for most of you who have been wondering how to make good content on LinkedIn, and some of you have asked me, how do you make your videos? How do you make your content? Yeah, some of the videos I make on my stories, and most people who follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is Luciana ACIERO, at Luciana ACIERO, or go to ACIERO Official. And that's my official Instagram account. So for most of you who want to make better content on LinkedIn and you don't know how to use it with your iPad or your phone or whatever, the only thing I would advise you is check out the video linked here, I think, and click on that link. It will take you to that video, or find the link to that video in the comment section below on how to make better videos for LinkedIn and what you need, what equipment you really need to make content for your LinkedIn. It's not so difficult. You only need a phone and something like this. Like I said in that video, most of you don't know what you need, but I have like a pair of things that I would like. This ring light is a lifesaver, and if you don't have something like this, start with natural light, but this one will make a very big difference. In combination together with the natural light and this, you'll see nice stories. LinkedIn will get more features soon, and I'm so happy that we can make more content on LinkedIn. And for most of you who want to learn more on how to use LinkedIn, click on that playlist here, and it will take you through other videos on how to make more LinkedIn content. So I hope this was helpful. If you're new here, thanks for watching, and consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for the support. I love you so much, and watch more videos on this channel, which are coming up in 1, 2, 3. Woo!